Hey everybody, you know what this is, B.F.A.M cooking. So what are we doing back today on President's Day? Well, I wanted to get back to you and say thank you very much for supporting us for all of these years. This is year number 4 for us. Season 4, we're about to start something brand spanking new. I am getting over COVID. I know that you guys missed me this last month. And, I was in the hospital a couple of days doing my little thing, trying to survive, a little life thing. So the most important thing you should know about me is, hey, I'm a survivor. I had to take some time off, I'm still working on trying to get my breath right. But hey, we're in there fighting, ready to knock out the next situation. And for this year, this season, we are doing so many things. One, we're going to try and run a competition. I'll probably keep it quarterly for a couple of weeks. It's going to be all these different products that we're getting, and we're going to try and give it away to you. Those of you who follow directions and fill out the form, subscribe. If you are already a subscriber of our YouTube channel, that's 3 points. I'm going to be giving away special codes to get you up there even more, and it's going to be randomly picked by some third-party application because that's what's required. But we're giving away knives, we're giving away pans, we're going to ship it all to you, directly to you, piece by piece until it's all given, all of it. So look for stuff from Meeson, that knife company. They're relatively local. And of course, Made In. They are the bomb on pots and pans and all types of stuff I want you to have. Why? Because good cooking equipment gives you better cooked items that you serve to your family. This is something we're doing for you. I hope that you can subscribe to us. One other little small thing, starting on the 16th, I am putting out a link because I have a potential to be in a cooking competition, one that's broadcast online. And what is that called? Favorite Chef. So on the 16th, you'll see a link on my social, either on Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn, whatever. I want you to do me a favor and click on that link and vote me up. Get me in that competition. I'd love to win and prove to you guys that B.F.A.M cooking is something you should be really proud of, that you're a member of. B.F.A.M cooking giveaways coming at you.